Hello there, Mr. Boom here. Welcome to Forex Billionaire Hub, and in this video we're gonna analyze the market for next Monday to Friday, and we are going to analyze the market technically, and we will also talk about fundamental issues or fundamental things. Okay, and as per you know that in last Friday, that means in last day of this trading week, that means past week, market was moving around 9,000 plus pips. Okay, 9,000 plus pips over there, and this is the historical market movement ever I see in my entire trading life. So there was a lot, and there was almost 6 trillion, okay, 6 trillion dollar whip from the trading market, and you may also seen that news, and we just want to talk about how that's happened. Okay, there is a few things behind them, and number one is Fed just hold it interest rate. Okay, no rate cut, and they declared that we don't think yet about interest rate cut. So that is the reason United States dollar got stronger and gold is falling, like other cryptos. Okay, and there is number two thing is USD getting stronger with some few conclusion. That means there is a reduction of geopolitical issues, war related issues, and something like that. And number three is gold is right now all-time high zone. Okay, all-time high zone. Okay, ATAs, that means all-time high zone. That's why some traders are really interested to take their profit. That means big traders are taking their TPs in that moment. That's why there is a weakness for the gold, and what we can do in this particular week. So we are going to analyze, or we are going to discuss about that. Okay, and as you can see that there is one time frame selected, and until last Friday market was moving super bullish, and after that market just started to fall a lot from Thursday and Friday. Okay, and let's check what is going to happen there. Okay, and as per our in this style, we always start our analyzing with high time frame, then we can go lower time frame to find out our market direction or market entry. Okay, and as per you can see there, in a weekly time frame market is still on strong bullish momentum. That means market is on bullish trend still, and our last week candle was on bearish momentum, and there is long wick from the upper side and short wick from the lower side. That means there is more pressure, more seller pressure than buyer. Okay, there is more pressure than buyers. Okay, so if I want to go for daily time frame candle, as you can see there, last 2 days of last trading week, that means Friday and Thursday, those 2 days market moves bearish, and until that market was moving super bullish, and we took a lot of entry, and for last 2 days we stopped trading, or we just announced it on our Telegram channel, into our Telegram channel, that must use small lot, and we took few entries with proper TP and SL, and we got our desired profit. Okay, and as per you can see that in daily time frame there is a trend line, that means support trend line. So market is moving depending on this trend line, so we may expect market can move till that particular area, and then again we can consider buy entry. Otherwise, if it give us a breakout, then we can wait for pullback, then we can consider a sell entry. So we really have to wait for fundamental things and fundamental news. So if you already want to take entry from the Monday, so you have to consider fundamental thing also. Okay, and let's get back in H4 time frame to check how market is acting there. And if I want to make another trend line like upper trends or upper resistance area, as you can see there, that could be our next resistance area. And if I want to draw, or if I want to take a Fibonacci level over there, let me do that, and from all-time high to last zone's all-time low. Okay, as you can see there, this candle, that means this 38.2, let me make it a horizontal raw. Okay, let me take here. Okay, so okay, as you can see there, this area is our trend line zone, also Fibonacci confirmation zone. So we have to wait till that particular area, then we can consider a buy entry with a candle confirmation here. That means it can be a pin buy confirmation, or it can be engulfing confirmation, or it can be a price action confirmation to go by, then we can consider a buy entry. Okay, and two things you have to keep your mind in while you want to trade. Number one is market is already in bullish trend, okay, trend, number one trend. And number two is there is USD is strong, okay. Due to USD strongness, market is going down and our trend is still bullish, okay. So when it come into bearish, then we can consider buy sell entry, and until that we will wait for support confirmation and we can consider buy entry, okay. And for few fundamental reason we can take sell entry also. And from my point of view, or if you ask me, Mr. Boom, what you want to do in that condition or in that situation, so my confirmation is, or my opinion is, I will wait till that particular area, that means our double confirmation zone. Then if I get a candle confirmation, then we can consider buy entry, okay. So for that we need to wait, and with daily time frame or H4 time frame, there SL will be very big, okay. SL will be very big, so we have to wait. And then if I got any candle confirmation like in H1 time frame, then we can consider a buy entry. As you can see there, if I select M1 time frame, that means minute per minute candle, and if I especially want to show you candle movement over there, okay, as you can see there, if I hold there, there is 165 pips for a single 1 minute candle. As you can see there, there is 176 pips movement of this particular candle. So if you take opposite direction trade in there, suppose in sell there, if you want to sell there, one candle is enough to hit your SL. So we have to wait for the what, we have to wait for the stable market condition or stable market situation. And here in 1 minute time frame, each and every candle, most of the candle moving around 100 pips plus, okay. So we have to consider that thing also. Then we can consider buy entry. That means for buying, we have to wait till that particular area or till that market stabilization, okay. And for H1 time frame, as you can see there, if I especially consider those things also, and as you can see there is also reference area is this particular area. So we have to wait this particular area. When market come into there, then we can consider buy entry. Or if there any kind of major news comes, we will update that into our Telegram channel as soon as possible. So better you may join our public Telegram channel to get daily 5 to 8 trading analysis, fundamental analysis, or fundamental things. Even though free signals are coming there, so you may join there to get all of our trading update like technical, fundamental, and market analysis. So you will get there, and there is no specific entry in this week because market is very unstable. So if you want to trade, you must have to consider small lot as well, okay. Then you can consider trades or entries, then we can trade or we can enter the market. So let's see what is going to happen in next week, and I hope all the best to you. So that's for now, Mr. From signing out.